Hello. I want to say something about this CNC. I bought it 2014. So that's 7 years now. Almost 7 years. Good. I've never had any major problem on it. No major problem. It's a 4 spindle, but I've taken one out so that I can have space to work. Very easy to use. I bought it from UBO. Oh, yes, I've even forgotten the name. The sticker is coming off as well. Sorry about that. Their services is very good and very wonderful. It's a wonderful machine. I've never had any major problem. When I say major problem, sometimes I'm in Africa, the electricity is too high, it blows some stuff in it, and that has only happened one time. And when I called them, this was after the warranty. When I called them, they assisted me immediately with no extra charges. They've been good. I deal with Benson over there. Anytime I need something, it's always there for me. Any questions, anything, is always there for me. And also, it doesn't tell me that, oh, sorry, I'm not working today, this is weekend. Saturday, Sunday, anytime, midnight, is always there for me. And I'll give him thumbs up. Thank you, Benson. You are a very, very wonderful person. And one day we'll meet. We've never met. I send them money, they send me my stuff. So I trust them greatly. So whoever is buying anything from them, you are in a good hand.